All right, let's give this another go, people. Here we are. Hey everyone, welcome to the latest Greenville real estate market update for September 2024. I'm Noah Binsfield, and if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in Greenville, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the biggest trends from current home prices and affordability to population growth and what we might see on the horizon. So let's jump right on in. Just to get this going while I set up some stuff, enjoy this drone video I recently took flying through Greenville, South Carolina's downtown, right next to the Liberty Bridge. Such a beautiful city, and I love living here. I just moved here, and so I'm happy to talk about the market with anybody. Let's jump in though. Get this next slide. There we are. Let's start with the numbers. Right now, the median sales price in Greenville is about $309,000. It's holding steady from last year's 12-month median of $307,500. If you're looking at the average, September is slightly under $380,000, and compared to last year, it was average of $366,921. And you can enjoy this graphic here. This just kind of goes into the median sales price. You can look by month. You can do 12 months median, percent change, and graph. You can also take a look at the average sales price with this graph here. Once again, you'll have sales prices and the averages below that column with your chart. We are seeing some growth, although it looks like September here, you see a slight decrease. All right, carrying on to our next point. What is interesting is the price per square foot. Right now it is around $191 for Greenville County, and we're seeing higher value per square foot this year, which tells us demand is still solid, especially in popular areas of downtown and growing suburbs like Greer or Simpsonville. Just to show the chart here from Fred, you can actually see we were stagnant quite a while for about a year there of 2023, and now we are starting to see growth and pushing into new highs compared to where we've seen previously. Next up, income trends and affordability. As of the latest estimates, Greenville's population sits at over 74,000 in the city, with Greenville County around 560,000 residents. That's a 6.2% population increase since 2020. The median household income for the area was last reported around $72,000 in 2022. Sorry, let me move my camera right there for you real quick. Bring it back. So as you can see, median income, we were looking at 71,328. See some population stats here. And remember that 6.2%. With mortgage rates currently over 6%, affordability is a big consideration, especially for first-time home buyers. If your household income is close to the median, it's essential to plan your budget carefully. Working with a mortgage specialist or using one online affordability calculators can really help here, giving a clear idea of what's within reach without overextending. If you are looking for some great resources, on my website, noahbinsfield.com, go to tools and resources, and you can find some of those calculators. And just looking at the mortgage rate here over the years, on the top you're just going to see from a little bit before 2020, and then on the bottom is all the way before 1975, just to kind of give you a trend of the mortgage rates. We are currently sitting at just under 7%. We did get there close to that 6% mark, bouncing up a little bit, but we do project that to go down over the year coming at least, hopefully. One of Greenville's biggest drivers is the population growth. Since 2020, we've seen a steady stream of new residents, especially from larger and pricier metro areas like New York, San Francisco, and Boston. You can actually see the map here of where some of our biggest trends are coming from in the background. People are moving here for the lifestyle, affordability, the job opportunities. For instance, I just moved here from Denver, and looking at some of the trends there, you'll see the median household income is just a bit higher at $85,000. But the median price per square foot is a whopping $395. With a median home price of around $600,000, it's easy to see how Greenville's value is really appealing to different markets. There's just some of the stats I want to show off for Denver. Once again, you can see that median listing price and price per square foot. Population, I wanted to point out, look at that. Where we saw 6.2% growth, Denver has seen 0.1% growth. And there could even be some margin of errors with that. So it's good to note how much movement Greenville is experiencing and demand. So what's the overall state of the market? Right now, Greenville is in a balanced market with about 4 months of inventory. For sellers, this means homes might stay on the market a little bit longer, while buyers have more options to choose from without the pressure of intense bidding wars. Showing here, you can see the inventory over the last about 10 years. And if I move my head here, you can also see the month supply of inventory. This shows by price range, by bedroom count, by property type. And if you do want to see any more of this data, it'll all be listed in my blog for September data under market research. This is the GGAR, I believe, monthly indicators. Page 8, maybe. Continuing on, though. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked. Looking ahead, like we said, we do predict some mortgage rates around 2025 coming down, which could lead to an increase in demand. But for right now, we're in a steady phase with gradual price adjustments, creating a great window of opportunity for buyers and sellers. What this means for you? Well, buyers, you've got options. Use this balanced market to find the right property without feeling rushed. It's a great time to take your time. Compare choices and avoid the hectic bidding wars we've seen recently. Sellers, the pricing realistically is going to be key. Homes may take a bit longer to sell right now, so setting a competitive price can help attract serious buyers and get you an efficient sale. Investors, well, with steady growth in population and price per square foot, Greenville offers promising opportunities, especially for rental properties. Areas close to downtown and suburbs like Simpsonville, they continue to attract a lot of tenants, making it a strong choice for buy and hold investments, flipping, and plenty of other opportunities. Greenville's real estate market in 2024 has something for everyone, from first-time home buyers and growing families to seasoned investors. The key takeaway, understanding these trends can help you make the right decision in the balanced, evolving market. So stay informed and make some smart decisions. And once again, I'd like to thank you for joining on this deep dive into Greenville's real estate market. If you found this helpful, be sure to check back for future updates. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in the area, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to answer any questions or just chat about the market. I hope you all have a great day. Cheers.